My video tutorial will provide you with help to remove the pop-ups that are related to the site browseboost.com. In fact, these pop-ups by browseboost.com actually promote a special unwanted browser extension called Browse Boost. The developers of this extension indicate that somehow it will help you to get more relevant results. But in reality, this extension Browse Boost actually functions as a browser hijacker because it changes the default search engine settings without the user's permission. And when you submit certain search queries, you may often get the results by some other fake search engines not chosen by you before. To remove this extension, access the menu, go to More Tools, or go to Extensions directly, click on Manage Extensions. Then you need to remove all these extensions that are not really decent. So you may disable and then remove them, or just remove them right away. Also, I recommend you to research your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and then start investigating your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, for the first time the program will be initially in the trial mode, so only Quick Scan option is available. So you need to click on Start Scan button, and then the scanning will immediately begin. But most likely, of course, the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip that important step if Combo Cleaner suggests you to update its antivirus database. Then the scanning itself will take place. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And it may depend on other factors too, of course. Combo Cleaner will give you the summary of all the threats which were revealed during the scan at the end of the scan. I want to emphasize your attention on several features, for instance, anti-ransomware feature, which will always protect your files against ransomware attacks. This feature is the part of the premium license, though. So you need to wait a certain amount of time until the scanning has been successfully finalized by Combo Cleaner. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were revealed on your computer. Of course, some threats can be removed manually. However, we recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner to make sure your computer is always under decent protection.